What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Shejackiesays, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. So we're still in the eastern region, still touring, and this year on my channel I would be touring regions, but I would probably go to a particular region and tour the whole place. So this is en route to Kwahu Tafo. Apparently, I just realized that is where my dad comes from. This is where he was born. So I went there to see the place. Then I learned we have a tourist attraction there, which is the Butuase Waterfalls. It is a 60-foot cascade on the outskirts of the town in the Kwahu East district. It's a popular tourist attraction. Now, when I went there, this was during the Harmattan season, during December, Christmas. And in Kwahu, in as much as it rains, this time there is no water. Harmattan was all over, and I was going to the place. So just beside down there where the taxi is where the Butuase Waterfall is. Now it cascades down into a succession of splashing lakes during the wet season. Within the vicinity of the waterfalls, locals enjoy playing, relaxing, and a lot more. So this is a friend of mine, apparently a family relative, who I asked to take me along, because initially I was hearing a lot, and you need to pour libation before you go there, because you're a visitor and all that. But I still went there regardless with him, with his help, because he is an indigene of the town. So this is the waterfall. When I went, a couple of girls were trying to play around. It's a cool place and a calm place to be with your friends and all that. So in as much as here there was no tour guide there, the place was neat. They had these dustbin cute ones that you need to keep the place neat and all that. Now in the natural cavern, the water runs down in a unique way. But as I said, I went here during the Harmattan season. So on a regular day, on a Harmattan season, the water flows a bit slow because it's Harmattan. It has sort of like dried up. But on a regular day, this is how it flows. In as much as there is flow during the Harmattan season, the pressure of the water is unlike the wet season, or let me say the rainy season. So let's just enjoy the tour around this amazing place, right? Butuase Waterfalls.
Yes, I was even surprised. I didn't know we had one, but I definitely know that the rocks here sometimes we do have water. If there's anybody who could explain the science behind it, kindly do so in the comment section.
One interesting thing about this place is the fact that this place is not man-made. The carving, the way the trees turn out, the way the rocks are gathered, the way the water falls, it's all natural. It all came out by itself. No man had the time or had that effrontery to go carve out or do something like that. It was just there like that. Now that is the beauty of nature.
I don't know if you guys can see beneath. So a full place where you could sit, relax, chillax, and all that. It means that water and also free hanaba. Like as in on a regular day, right? Because me who said, oh, okay. But that place is not part. No. The place was dried up a bit because of the Hamatan season. I came here roughly at like a bad time. Not necessarily a bad time, at least the place is not fully dried up. But as I'm still saying, I'm apologizing for the sound. You got here, I realized my microphone is missing. So this is like a beautiful view in here. Whenever you pass through Kwahu, there are a lot of places that you could visit. There is the General Mountain, there is the there's a lot. I think I'd have to list them because I don't want to get the pronunciation of the places wrong. So that's basically it in here. This is Butuase Waterfall right inside Kwahu Tafo. Just when you get, before you pick up a cab, just probably let the driver bring you, or when you get into the town, do ask of where the waterfalls is. I think I would just love to end the video here. At least you've gotten to know how the place is. It's cool. It's warm. Did I say warm? It's a bit cold because of the water gushing out. But I'm sure if you have come here, you can see people taking their bath. It's all part of the whole serenity of the place. So do pass here whenever you pass by. I'm ending the video here. It's your girl Shejackiesays, your hostess with the mustard, bringing you the hottest, then juiciest, and I am out. Peace, guys.
Looking so fly, Shejackiesays, young